Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm so happy to have you here, and today I have something very amazing and super colorful for you. It's dragon fruit protein bowls. Dragon fruit is a really exotic red fruit. It can be red or white, and it's mostly common in Thailand. That's where I discovered it, and so I managed to track down some dragon fruit powder and use it in these bowls. They're so colorful, so good for you, and yeah, just so pleasing to the eye. And I think you're gonna love this recipe as well. So let's get started. Into a food processor, add your gluten-free oats and your almond meal, pinch of salt, melted coconut oil, chia seeds, fresh orange juice, vanilla extract, protein powder, and your soaked dates. Then you're gonna add your pitaya powder. I get it in this type of powdered form, and it's gonna add the color. And then add your cashew butter. You can use any other butter, but cashew butter is quite plain, so it works well for this recipe. You're gonna blitz everything together for a couple of minutes or seconds until it all comes together and becomes nice and smooth, just like so. The mixture will be quite bright and pink. Over here I've got some pitaya powder and coconut shreds. I'm just gonna mix this together to give it a nice coating around our mixture. Take your mixture, will be sticky. I usually use gloves and I oil my hands so it doesn't stick to my hands. And you just want to break down into smaller pieces so you can roll them out into bowls later. You should make around 12 to 15 bowls with this mixture. Take the mixture, roll it into your hand into a nice bowl, and then place it into your coconut pitaya shreds. Roll it around and it should look just like that, nice and coated, and it will evenly spread everywhere. And that way they're not going to be sticky anymore. So I've taken my gloves off and just gonna roll these up and down. Look how gorgeous they are. I hope you enjoy them.